Now here's something you don't see every day. You see, I've got this wet patch here and you can see it's dripping. But it's a beautiful spring day. It's the 7th of May. Look at that. It's beautiful. All the leaves are coming out. Well, where's this water coming from? Well, it's coming from this tree here. It's sap that's come all the way up there, all the way through those branches, all the way to the top. There must be a broken twig or something. And it's all dropping down here. Isn't that amazing? But what is funny is that you see where the roots are going. The roots go way down to that flat bit down there, because it can't get water from here because it's on such a slope. Isn't that amazing? I'll have to get the council to come and fix it. I wonder if Land Rover makes trees. He must have made that one.